Well, tonight, the Women Leaders Forum of the Coachella Valley held a town hall meeting combating the fentanyl crisis. It was hosted by News Channel 3's Karen Devine, explaining her absence here tonight. News Channel 3's Bianca Ventura live now in studio with more on that discussion. Bianca.
Good evening, John. Multiple panelists, including professionals in healthcare, education, and law enforcement, spoke at tonight's town hall. They all shared the work they've been doing to combat the fentanyl crisis throughout the Coachella Valley.
She was seeking Percocet. The drug dealer ended up selling her counterfeit oxycodone pills, of which she took half of one before going to bed, and it killed her instantly.
Stephen was with 3 friends, and I use the term lightly, but they literally sat and watched him die. They had Narcan, they had phones, they had a parent in the main house, and they did nothing to intervene.
Parents like Jennifer Loza and Matt Capilouto shared the stories of their children's fentanyl-related deaths in an effort to save lives.
We want to educate today and let them know that there are people behind the scenes really fighting hard to try to get control of this crisis.
Senior Deputy District Attorney Gerald Full is one of the folks fighting the fentanyl crisis here at home. He was the first to secure a guilty verdict by a jury in a fentanyl-related homicide, both on a state and federal level.
Since then, not only have we seen aggressive work by our sheriff's department, our local law enforcement, but frankly, we're seeing fentanyl dealers who are texting people, "I'm not selling that." They're prosecuting people for murder.
Together, these community leaders and advocates are working to reduce the number of fentanyl-related deaths, whether that be through education, law enforcement, healthcare, or legislation.
So I'm here to garner support for a ballot measure, the Homelessness, Drug Addiction, and Theft Reduction Act. It's a measure we're trying to get on the November ballot, so I'm here to promote that. One of the components to this ballot measure is something called Alexandra's Law.
Capilouto says the burden of proof in a fentanyl-related murder case is difficult.
Alexandra's Law is simply a warning to fentanyl dealers. If they're arrested for a fentanyl-related offense, they're going to get a warning letting them know that if they continue furnishing fentanyl and it results in somebody's death, that they can be held accountable for murder.
Alexandra's Law was actually named after Matt Capilouto's daughter, who died of fentanyl poisoning back in 2019. And tonight's town hall will be aired in its entirety on Sunday, March 24th at 5 p.m. right here at KESQ. And I'm live in studio. Bianca Ventura, back to you.